Hey guys, welcome back to another Just Meta tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Just Meta to write a section of your blog or a short blog post or a tidbit for a newsletter or whatever. So today we're going to get started on the dashboard and we're going to go to this AI panel and down to templates. So here you're going to see the box that says blog section. When we click on that, this is going to bring up kind of like a subsection of a larger article or a short article or a part for a newsletter. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the title of your blog article. So let's assume that I'm a dentist's office and I want to name my article why a cleaning every 6 months is important for your oral health. And then the subheadings we're going to do are long-term impacts of regular cleanings, regular. And another subheading can be, statistics about cleanings. And we want this to be informative with original level of creativity, right? So you can change those, both the creativity and the tone of voice down here. So we're going to generate. Boom. Now I have this nice little section for my blog post, for my website, for whatever. As you can see, this could be very helpful if you were a dental office or some sort of health expert, trying to convince kids to brush and get their regular cleanings. So this could be part of a larger document about oral health, or this could be just a little blurb on the website about cleanings. So here you can see maintaining good oral health is essential for an overall healthy lifestyle, right? It talks about how it plays a crucial role in preventing dental problems, maintaining a healthy smile, right? So you can see here under the long-term impacts of regular cleanings, we have preventing gum disease, early detection of dental problems, fresher breath, stain removal, and a brighter smile, right? And then we have some statistics down here. According to the American Dental Association, individuals having regular dental cleanings have a 33% lower risk of developing heart disease, right? So this is all great stuff. It can be short form content. It can be, very useful, especially if you're going to be doing something not quite as involved as our AI article wizard. So this is a great way to generate some content, generate some copy, but as always, I highly recommend verifying the information given to you. It's usually pretty right, but always double check and be doubly sure. As always, you can download this or you can save the document for later, right? We have a whole bunch of regular editing tools up here to be able to jazz this up a little bit, but this is how you can generate a blog section in just one simple click. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please check out our other videos as we have over 70 different templates available here on justmeta.com in order to make your AI journey a little easier.